Dr. Bornstein. It's Sarah Whittle calling. Listen, if you could call me back as soon as you can. I think I need to have my dosage checked. That event we've been discussing for a long time now, the one that didn't really happen. Oh, boy, I'm having an episode here today with the little boy that didn't really disappear. I'm sitting in his living room drinking lemonade. If you could call me, I'd really be interested in your interpretation. Thank you so much. Call me back 10 minutes before the hour.
While we're waiting.
Whoa, God!
Sarah, Sarah.
No! Oh, no.
Sarah!
No!
Sarah, please,
Alan,
come on.
I have spent over 2,000 hours in therapy convincing myself that it doesn't exist. See, what happened to you was so awful. I made up that whole
Sarah,
thing
it
about
was
you
awful.
turning into
It
this
was
whole-
awful. It was awful. It really
like
was.
Crazy.
But it was real. Real.
No. It wasn't real, Alan. Your father murdered you and he chopped you up into little pieces.
Sarah, come on. My dad did that. My father could barely hug me, let alone cut me into little pieces. 26 years ago, we started playing a little game. And now, we're all gonna sit down and we're gonna finish it. And guess what? It's your turn. Play the game, Sarah.
Oh, no.
Fine. Just give me the dice and you can go home. You don't have to play.
Thank you, Alan. Oh, my God! How could you do that?
It's law of the jungle, Sarah. You'll get used to it.
When I think of all the energy I spent visualizing you as a radiant spirit.
Go on, read it.
They grow much faster than bamboo. Take care or they'll come after you.
Oh, great.
Oh, God. Tell me this isn't happening.
Oh, it is. Stay away from the walls. Don't touch anything. No quick movements.
Wow, they're beautiful.
Oh, yeah, they're beautiful. Don't touch the purple ones. They shoot poisonous barbs. And definitely stay away from the pods. The big yellow ones.
What big yellow one?
I gotcha! Get it out!
Get it off me!
Oh, my God! Hang on, boy!
Robin! I'll be right back!
Oh, my God.
Sorry, Angus. Harvest time!
Are you okay?
Oh my God! My car. Oh, my car.
Carl, please. Come in, please, Carl. Has anybody seen Carl?
I can't believe this.
Carl, come in,
Start,
please.
please, just.
Anybody
Yes!
seen Carl? Come in, please, Carl.
Carl here.
Where in heaven's name have you been? We've got a serious animal control situation on our hands here.
Well, you gotta get Stan and Willie on it. I'm heading over to the old Parrish place to check out a suspicious character. Over. I should have been a fireman.
Sarah!
Ooh, get your hands off me!
The game is not over yet, Sarah.
Well, it is for me. You are not in the jungle anymore. Stop this. You don't treat people like this.